in the present stock market, when there is a sudden fall in mid cap or even in the small cap index, wherein we saw a sudden dip of around 3 to 4% or even above that, whereas your broader index nifty was flat. So during that kind of a position or even during that kind of a scenario, what are the actionable pointers you have to take as a beginner, as an intermediate, or even as an advanced investor or trader? There are certain rules you have to follow, or there is a broader and a holistic approach you should have towards stock market. Please understand, as said by Warren Buffett, stock market is a place wherein it is just exchange of shares from impatience to a patience investor. And yes, one of the powerful tool for an investor or trader is time, right? If you have time with you, if you have that weapon with you, you will be always success in stock market, right? You'll be always successful. Now let me give you a small statistic, right? In this year, if you look at small cap 250 index, small cap 250 index has advanced by almost 32.6% in the last 1 year. And when I come to midcap 150, right? Midcap 150 index has advanced by 31.2%. Whereas the broader index, our Nifty 50, in the same 1 year, in the same time frame, when we do an apple to apple comparison, it has moved by 10.4. So yes, it is a clear evidence that small cap and even mid cap have given a very great run in the last year, in this year. Apart from that, in the last 2 to 3 months, we have seen a very good spike in these indices, be it mid cap or small cap index. So yes, a small correction, a small consolidation is always good, and that is a reflection of health in the market also, right? It is always good. And anyone who are like, sir, a correction of 2% or a 3% in the portfolio is impacting me a lot, it implies there are 3 things you have to focus as an investor. One, you should have your exit system in place. If you do not have your exit rules, if you do not have your exit system, that is where you will be worried more. If any position wherein, yes, it is falling and my exit system has triggered, then you exit. If it is not triggered, you be calm, you be composed, and you will be continuing in that position. Point 2, position sizing. I always say, have your allocation decently. There are few people, sir, yes, I heavily invest into a stock. One position, as you are heavily invested, if anything goes bad or if the market corrects, right, you will be in a very big problem. So that position sizing or allocation is very, very important, right? Allocation is very important. Third, tranches. What do you mean by tranches? If you enter in a stock, the first position should be like 1 or 2% of your entire portfolio. And as the position goes in your direction, you should gradually average up. You should gradually increase your position in that, so that you be in the trending market, you be in the trending winning position, and you are in the process of averaging up. Rather than that, if you take a very high position or an initial tranche itself is high, if things go bad, you get stuck there. And yes, if you have started with a smaller tranche and you're gradually increasing it, even if things go bad, you come out with a smaller loss. Or even, yes, right now I have added 2 tranches or 3 tranches. Tranches means you're adding investment in every opportunity you have. It can be like first tranche 1.5 or 2% of your portfolio. Second tranche, another 2%, right? Next tranche, 1%, so that your overall allocation of a specific company in your overall portfolio will not exceed by 6% or even will not exceed by 8%. So you are diversified, right? You are diversified. Okay. And another important thing is this kind of a fall in mid cap or small cap. If you have the above pointers in place, I'm sure you will be more rational and you will be more calm rather than just worrying about it. And if you are in a situation that yes, I'm feeling tensed or I'm feeling worried, it is an indication that you have to introspect again on your learning rather than regretting or rather than getting away from the market. You should retrospect or even you should introspect what is happening or what is your learning process or your investing system. You should make it better. Now coming to the way forward, right? Way forward. Sir, yes, what are the actionables I have to take? First point to understand, yes, Indian stock market is a mix of investors. There are rational investors, there are irrational investors, there are beginners, intermediate, advanced investors. It's a mix of multiple investors and traders. So yes, with this kind of a knee-jerk reaction, there are chances maybe for a couple of days, right? For a few days, it can be in the sideways market, or there are many who will be in a situation, wait and watch situation, right? Instead of heavily investing or instead of heavily redeeming or liquidating the stocks, they'll wait for a confirmation, right? Wait and watch situation. So yes, it's always good not to jump in heavily and just observe until unless, as I discussed, if the exit system is not triggered, don't move out, just wait. And even this is the wonderful time, right? This is a wonderful time wherein observe the companies or observe the stocks or observe the sector where even in a falling or even in a consolidated market, those stocks or that sector is holding strength or even is not falling heavily. These companies which are holding will be rebouncing. And yes, if you are a seasoned investor or if you have been in the market for a longer period of time, you would have realized by now all the investors have a short-term mindset. Yes, in the last 3 months, mid-cap or even small cap has been advancing very well. In this year, right? In this year, when small cap has given 32.6%, small cap 250, mid cap 150, which it has given 31.2%, but still people have a short-term mindset. So they'll just be thinking about what happened recently, right? What happened recently. So I want you to come out of that situation and be more rational in your positions. Alternatively, anyone who are already into positions wherein, sir, yes, these are some of the stocks or these are some of the scripts or companies in my portfolio wherein I'm already sitting at 25 to 30% profits, right? Yes, over a period of time, yes, I have been following my stop loss, I've been following my allocation principle, I've been averaging up, I've been adding my position into tranches, and yes, I have a decent number of stocks which are like 25-30% and above profits I have made in the last few months. It's like a short-term profit which I'm already sitting on a decent return. So it also makes sense if going forward, if we see further more correction or a little bit consolidation, it is a wise decision to also do some profit booking, right? As I always say, never give away your profit back to the market, right? If you're sitting at a decent profit in some of the companies, maybe you can do some profit booking. As we always say, we do not love a stock, we date the stock, which means even if you do some profit booking, whenever we see another entry positions or whenever we see another entry level, we again enter into that stock. It's not that we completely leave away, right? So yes, it's okay to do some profit booking in some of your positions. Apart from that, sir, yes, I have little bit more exposure into small cap or even mid cap. You can also rotate, right? You can rotate into few large caps so that large cap gives more stability in the overall portfolio, right? Whenever there are some turbulent times or whenever the market is little bit choppy, it's also good to shift to large cap, few large cap companies so that overall portfolio will be balanced or that stability will be there, right? Stability will be there. Okay. So just to give you a quick recap, first thing, Have your exit system in place, have your position sizing. Third, allocation is key, tranches wise. And yes, if you are in a situation where you are like little worried, I want you to introspect more on your learning system, and this is the best time to even improvise and learn and scale your systems. And the most important part, be rational, be composed, be calm, right? Be calm. These are the situations which will happen. In the past also, we saw some 1 or 2 days knee jerk reactions in the market, and again we have bounced back very strongly, right? We have bounced back very strongly. So we observe, and accordingly you can have your positions, right? Be more rational and be more calm. Okay, good.